Hello everybody, welcome to SoniaChic95 DNH channel. So I will be sharing with you how to make clove powder spray for hair growth. So clove is from East Asia and part of South America. Clove is this herbs for multiple purpose, and guys, here are some benefits for clove in hair care. Clove promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. Clove provide a cooling sensation after using it for the very first time. Clove help solve tiny hair problem and smooth scalp with dandruff. And guys, so I am gonna be using 1 cup of water and 2 full tablespoons of clove, and I did grind it already as you can see, and I'm gonna boil the water before putting in my clove powder. After I am done putting in that powder, I'm going to mix it and cover it and let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to turn off the stove and let this DIY hair growth spray cool down. When it's cooled down, then I'm going to screen it because I don't want that mess sticking in my kinks. Yes guys, after screening it, I'm going to spray some of it on my hair. Usually I would say you should add in essential oil of your choice, but I don't want no oil in this DIY product right now. Usually I will like spray the product on my hair before going in with my DIY aloe vera gel oil. The link gonna be in the description below. And guys, clove is incredible for hair growth. But let me warn you about this DIY hairspray that I'm making here, guys. If you just spray on your hair without moisturizing your hair, or after you spray it, if you don't moisturize your hair's gonna dry out. It's gonna break your hair. So I will recommend after you spray this product in your hair, the next day go in with the aloe vera gel oil or hair butter, something that will moisturize your hair. So I am just spraying this product on my hair. At the same time, I am doing a gentle scalp massage. Every time I spray this product, I always go in with a scalp massage. Then I let it stay overnight and rinse it out the next day. And I moisturize my hair with my aloe vera gel oil. And sometimes I don't rinse it out. I've been using this treatment for a week now. And guys, I am loving it. So I am also going to be doing a blog post on clove oils and clove hairspray. So make sure to check it out. I will see you in my next one. Bye.